Hello and welcome to the Skills Direction podcast. In this episode, we will examine our bite-sized guide on how to use AI tools to find a scholarship opportunity. In today's fast-paced digital age, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, has become essential in simplifying complex tasks. For students aspiring to pursue higher education, the process of finding suitable scholarships can be overwhelming and time-consuming. However, with the advent of AI tools, this pursuit has been revolutionized. This bite-sized guide presents a concise yet comprehensive overview of how to leverage AI tools to discover scholarships that align with individual qualifications, interests, and aspirations. Let's start by delving into the benefits and practical steps that can lead students on a fruitful scholarship quest. Using AI tools to find scholarships offers a multitude of advantages. Firstly, AI algorithms possess the capability to efficiently sift through vast databases of scholarships, saving applicants substantial time and effort in their search. Secondly, these tools can tailor scholarship suggestions based on individual criteria, ensuring a personalized approach to the application process. Additionally, AI platforms can provide real-time updates on scholarship availability, helping students stay informed about rapidly changing opportunities. Lastly, the AI-driven process allows students to explore niche scholarships that may have otherwise gone unnoticed, widening the scope of potential financial aid. From defining personal criteria and preferences to utilizing AI-powered scholarship search engines, applicants can efficiently identify relevant scholarship opportunities. With AI-based language assistance, students can enhance their application materials, further improving their chances of securing scholarships. However, we must stress the importance of refining search results, setting up notifications, and independently verifying scholarship details. That being said, here is a simple step-by-step process to help you get started. Step 1. Define your criteria. Start by defining your scholarship criteria. Consider factors such as your field of study, level of education, undergraduate, graduate, etc., location preferences, financial need, and eligibility requirements. Having a clear understanding of what you're looking for will help narrow down your search. Step 2. Use AI-powered scholarship search engines. Utilize AI-powered scholarship search engines like FastWeb, Shoally, or CapEx. These platforms use AI algorithms to match your criteria with available scholarships. Follow these steps. A. Visit the scholarship search engine's website. B. Create an account or sign in if required. C. Provide information about yourself, including your educational background, field of study, interests, and demographic details. D. Input your preferences and criteria, such as location, level of study, or specific keywords related to scholarships you're interested in. E. Let the AI algorithm generate a list of scholarships that match your criteria. Step 3. Explore scholarship listings. Review the list of scholarships generated by the AI-powered search engine. Pay attention to scholarship details, such as eligibility criteria, application requirements, deadlines, and award amounts. Step 4. Refine your search. Use available filters or advanced search options provided by the AI-powered scholarship search engine to further refine your search. You can filter results based on specific criteria like GPA requirements, minority status, or specific keywords related to your interests. Step 5. Bookmark and save scholarships. Bookmark or save scholarships that you find interesting or relevant to your goals. Many AI-powered scholarship search engines allow you to create a profile or dashboard where you can save scholarships for future reference. Step 6. Set up notifications. Enable email notifications or alerts on the scholarship search platform to receive updates on newly available scholarships that match your criteria. This feature can help you stay informed about upcoming opportunities and deadlines. Step 7. Verify scholarship information. While AI tools can provide a curated list of scholarships, it's essential to verify the information independently. Visit the scholarship provider's official website or contact them directly to ensure the scholarship is legitimate and still open for applications. Step 8. Apply for scholarships once you have identified scholarships that align with your criteria and interests. Carefully review the application requirements and deadlines. Prepare all the necessary documents, such as essays, recommendation letters, and transcripts. Use AI-powered writing tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid to enhance your application materials. Step 9. Track and manage applications. Keep track of your scholarship applications using AI-powered organization tools like Trello, Evernote, or Google Sheets. These tools can help you stay organized, set reminders for deadlines, and monitor the progress of each application. Step 10. Seek additional guidance. While AI tools can streamline the scholarship search process, consider seeking additional guidance from counselors, teachers, or scholarship advisors. They can provide personalized advice, help you identify more niche scholarships, and offer support throughout the application process. As technology continues to evolve, students can undoubtedly look forward to an ever-improving and inclusive scholarship search experience through AI-driven solutions. There you have it, 10 simple steps you can take to get you started. Remember that AI tools are powerful aids, but they should be used in conjunction with your own research and diligence. It's important to thoroughly review scholarship details and follow the instructions provided by scholarship providers to maximize your chances of success. That wraps up this episode of the Skills Direction podcast. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, for one-to-one learning offers and information about our detailed training courses, please visit our website at skillsdirection.com. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guidance on your journey towards success. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.